Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a product that promises not only cleanliness but a refreshing scent and effective performance.
If you're someone who loves keeping your kitchen pristine and your countertops gleaming, this might just be the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal.
We're talking about the Caldrea Multi-Surface Countertop Spray Cleaner.
Now, why are we calling this the best quartz countertop cleaner out there? Let's break it down.
First off, Caldrea has crafted a formula that's safe and effective on all finished surfaces. Whether you have quartz, granite, laminate, or even sealed wood floors, this cleaner does it all without leaving a streak. It's infused with a unique blend of vegetable protein extract and birch bark, designed not just to clean but to eliminate odors. Imagine a kitchen that not only looks spotless but smells like a fresh burst of Tangelo palm frond every time you wipe down your counters.
What really sets Caldrea apart is its commitment to using plant-based ingredients. For those of you conscious about what products you bring into your home,
this one ticks all the boxes.
It's not just tough on grease and grime, it's also gentle on the environment. Speaking of which, let's talk about packaging.
Caldrea goes beyond functionality. Their packaging is designed to be as eco-friendly as possible, because sustainability matters.
Now, let's address a few common questions.
Does it leave residue?
No, it doesn't.
This cleaner is formulated to dry quickly and leave behind a clean, matte finish that won't attract dust or streaks.
And what about the scent? Tangelo palm frond. It's not overpowering but leaves a subtle, refreshing aroma that lingers pleasantly after cleaning. Now, let's talk value. At Just this cleaner offers excellent bang for your buck. It's a premium product without the premium price tag.
So, if you're in the market for a cleaner that not only cleans but uplifts your space with a refreshing scent, Caldrea Multi-Surface Countertop Spray Cleaner is definitely worth considering. From its plant-based formula to its effective cleaning power, it's a win-win for your home and the environment.
That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one.
Until next time, keep your spaces clean and your choices green. Thanks for watching.